Hello everyone and very warm welcome to the channel. OpenAI has just released Canvas. Canvas is a new interface for ChatGPT that enhances collaboration on writing and coding projects. If you are using platform.openai.com and if you just have API key, then you won't be able to access this canvas. You need to have ChatGPT subscription in order to use it, and it is in still very early beta, but seems like an interesting product. Canvas opens in a separate window whenever you launch it. It enables the users to work alongside ChatGPT beyond simple chat interactions. It is currently in beta and very early beta and available to ChatGPT Plus and Teams user with plans to expand access to platform.openai.com where we would be able to access it, but still it's not available. I just checked it this morning. It looks something like this just to give you an idea. So seems like a RAG enabled chatbot where it makes it so simple to chat with your documents and then very intelligently glean information out of it. Let me also show you this animation video from their website, and I will drop the link to it in video's description. So you see, it's quite easy to change it. Now this is all powered by the celebrated GPT-4o model, and all this creative collaboration is real time. It enables inline feedback, as you can see, and also you can do targeted edits. It also offers writing and coding shortcuts for various tasks. It has been trained using synthetic data generation techniques by OpenAI's own models. Canvas addresses limitations of the chat interface for tasks requiring editing and revisions. It also enables ChatGPT to understand project context better and provide inline feedback, as you can see on your screen. You can also highlight specific sections for focused AI assistance, which means targeted, and directly edit text or code. Yes, it also deals with the code. And there are a lot of shortcuts, as you can see on the floating bar and other on the left and right hand side, where you can adjust writing length, you can change reading levels, and you can add a lot of other stuff there. If you look at another example where it is doing the coding, it has the same sort of experience. For coding, Canvas offers code review, bug fixes, code repair, and language translation capabilities. The model which is behind the scene of this canvas, the GPT-4o, has been trained to collaborate as a creative partner. So that is sort of a system prompt. OpenAI also developed core behaviors like triggering the canvas, generating really diverse content, making targeted edits, and providing inline feedback. As I mentioned, they used their own data generation techniques from the synthetic point of view, and that included outputs from the OpenAI's O1 preview to post-train the model without relying on human-generated data, which is quite interesting. Another cool thing is that they have shared a lot of benchmarking information. If I scroll through their press release, and I will drop the link to it in video description, you can see that the performance is really quite good. You see, for both full rewrite and targeted edit, the bars are really high. And there is a lot of information around as how exactly they trained it and what exactly is the go behind it. Before I go further, let me give a huge shout out to the sponsors of the video, AgentQL. AgentQL is a query language for extracting data from web pages quickly, easily, and at scale. You can use the Python SDK to run your queries in production using Playwright, and use the browser-based debugger for optimizing queries in real time on any web page. AgentQL is a robust alternative to fragile XPath and DOM CSS selectors, as it uses the power of AI to analyze the page structure to find the data you are looking for. Okay, coming back to this canvas, which seems quite an interesting product to me. And by the way, you might be wondering why I'm not showing bit of a hands-on, because I don't have ChatGPT subscription. Still, I don't believe it adds any value. It's API from platform.openai.com. I daily use it. So that really makes sense. But ChatGPT subscription, well, I am a bit skeptical there. Anyway, so I'm especially quite interested in the way it is working with the coding, this canvas one, We all know that coding is an iterative process and it can be hard to follow all the revisions to your code in a chat. That is where Canvas can help because it makes it easier to track and understand ChatGPT's changes, and it seems that there is a lot of transparency there. Then there are a lot of shortcuts in this interface where ChatGPT provides inline suggestions to improve your code. It also inserts print statements to help you debug and understand your code. It adds comments to the code to make it easier to understand, and it detects and rewrites problematic code to resolve errors. Also, the languages I believe which it supports for translation are JavaScript, TypeScript, Python, Java, C++, or PHP. So there is not a whole lot of range there, but still good enough. And its quality and accuracy for both coding and text is quite good. And it has outperformed the zero shot GPT-4o with prompted instruction by 30% in accuracy and 16% in quality. So that's it. I hope that you enjoyed it. Let me know what do you think about Canvas. Whatever I have shown you in that animation is all it does at the moment. If you have ChatGPT subscription, play around with it, share your experience in the comments, and then we can discuss further. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you're already subscribed, please share it among your network as it helps a lot. Thank you for watching.